how nice are the flowers. Kinuha ko siya dun sa aming backyards. And I actually love this one. Ang dami ko nakikitang ganito sa mga gilid-gilid dito sa place namin. But I really love it kasi pang aesthetic siya. Alam niyo yung sobrang, what you call this one? Sobrang ganda niya sa picture. Tas ang liliit. So anyways, what I will be doing today is pupunta ako sa Babu. I'm going to buy some of refrigerator organizer. Alam niyo yung mga plastic na nabibili sa Dollar Tree or sa mga Daiso or sa mga cheap stores. But dito tinatawag namin siyang Babu Store. Para siyang Dollar Tree, Daiso store dyan sa atin. So later pupunta ako doon. And then kaya ako nakaganto guys. Kasi I'm trying to do fashion picture. I'm trying to do OOTD, ang hirap pala, no, guys. Saludo ako dyan sa mga Instagrammer na nakakakuha sila ng mga picture na magaganda ng sila lang. Ang hirap, I swear, it's struggle talaga. Pupunta na ako sa labas. Here are some of my shots. So, ito yung dress ko, guys. Super love it. Ayan siya. Super cute. And then, guys, ayan. Tinanggal ko na yung electric kasi I'm going to clean the refrigerator today. So, ayan. Yeah! Oh my gosh, makatotohanan to, guys. Talagang inubos namin yung laman ng ref para lang malinis ko siya and ma-organize. So, magluluto ako ng lunch ko. As in, wala kasi talagang laman yung ref namin today, and mag-grocery ako later. And I will be cooking a ramen. Ayan. Wow. I'm just going to mix all the fruits na natira. May blueberries ako. So guys, ayan na yung food ko. Favorite ko to guys. Ayan, yung cheese na nilagay ko. Ayan siya, sa top. And then some ham and a parsley. And yung smoothie ko, let's eat guys. Kain. My favorite series. Yeah. Favorite series ever.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I'm walking now. Mag-isa. I'm just actually gonna get the things that I need for the refrigerator. ayan, nagpalit ako ng damit. Sabi yung ref ko, guys. Tingnan nyo, naglalaglagan na yung mga yelo. Ayan, tingnan nyo dyan, naglalaglagan na. So, ayan. Sander is here, you guys. You can open there, love, because mommy is cleaning all day today. There. Ayan, nasundo na namin si Sander and tapos na ako maglinis ng refrigerator. Ayan, I found it in the refrigerator. Don't eat the chocolate, only the egg inside, okay?
But I like
this
here
boy.
too.
No, you can't eat it now. You can't eat it now. No. You can't anymore. Just get the chocolate. The egg.
Anything.
Ang kulit. I already cleaned and I will make another video na organize our refrigerator with me. Ayan guys, kasi tomorrow I'm gonna do a big grocery. Kasi as in zero. Wala talagang laman yung ref namin. As in, ayan lang. Kaya sinapak ko na lang siya dyan. And then I also clean here. Ayan. Down is the bread of Sander. Carlos. I don't think I can do more videos, guys. Kasi, sa totoo lang, parang wala akong ginawa ngayong araw. Pero, oh my gosh, sobrang hirap pala maglinis ng refrigerator kasi you have to wash everything. And, si Carlos, umorder na lang siya ng food. Kasi, hindi ako magluluto. May pasok si Sander tomorrow. It's already 6:30. Guys, ito yung laban eh. It's the chicken inside. And I'm going to end my vlog here, guys. Pagod na ako. I will see you again next time. Bye!
Two.
Okay.